everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial, or not a tutorial, I'm going to do a video on my finished jewelry for the March 2023 dollar bead box. I know I'm a little bit late, but I still was working on some stuff with everything, you know, with Easter coming up, and just it was a really busy month getting ready for it. I always entertain for the holidays, so I'm about 10 days past March, but I figured I wanted to show you anyway. So I did 2 tutorials with last month's box, and then I also made 3 other necklace and earring sets. So I wanted to show you. I will leave the tutorials, the two tutorials that I did below. So this was the first necklace that I did. Let me get these. Let me organize those a little bit. So this is the first one that I did, and I love the way this turned out. Absolutely loved all of March's box. Was just so pretty, although April's box is just as gorgeous if you watched my latest unboxing for it. So this was them. And then I put a couple of my own like silver pieces. I did mix metal. Like I said, I like to do that. And I did some of my antique brass bead caps, and then the beautiful copper and the greens and the these beads, just absolutely gorgeous. You can make so much jewelry out of those boxes. Then I had these 2 little dagger beads, the silver ones. So these were kind of eclectic, nothing matched. Except for these 2, I had the 2 dangling right here, and then this middle one, I had that. So that was the first one. And then the second tutorial, like I said, I'll leave them both below, was for this layered necklace. And yeah, so I used all of these pieces, and then I had this little copper ring myself that I used, and then I had some chain, copper chain. I doubled that up, and I had this leftover toggle clasp. But yes, I love the way this turned out. These beads were gorgeous. So I did this one then. And then I just recently, last Friday, I think it was, I finished up the box. And this was the first necklace and earring set that I made. So I did this. And then I have these really cute earrings that go with it. Now, I did use a few beads from my, what do you call it? My other bead subscription that I am doing right now. Can't think of it. Oh, BeeBeeCrafts. Okay, that's it, yes. So I did use these, I think these were agate beads. So I did use those from BeeBeeCrafts, but the rest was all dollar bead box. So I did those. And then I started with this. Now these are jade rondelles, and that's another agate bead from BeeBeeCrafts. And then these were from Adornable Elements. These are 2-hole beads right there that I did to connect those. And then I used a few of my own seed beads right here. Then I used their flower beads, more of the jade rondelles from BeeBeeCrafts, and the agates and more jade rondelles. But I used the copper, and I used these square beads in between. And I just love the way this turned out. And then I just did a little like pattern up here at the top. So this is like kind of like a very eclectic necklace. It's just, you know, it's got a lot of coloring on it. I was in kind of a funky mood that day. It was like, I was totally in the mood to make jewelry. And you know, when you're kind of in those moods, it's like, okay, gotta go in my bead room now. See you later. So I did this one. And like I said, I love the way this turned out. So, and then this, like I said, these are 2 holes. So then the holes came up, and then I just wrapped that around like that. So I had this. Then, let me see, I'll do this one next. So then this one is another one that I did. And I made these beads to go with it. And these are the little copper dagger beads. And then I used all the other beads. I do use my own 11 Miyuki seed beads, the blue and the gold, to go through there. And then I used antique brass ear wires, hypoallergenic ear wires. Then I did this beautiful piece, and I did use a few jade rondelles from BeeBeeCrafts here in these. And I used my own little copper spacer, or not copper, rose gold spacers and silver spacers. And I think this is a Swarovski bead from last month. Thank you, Cindy, for telling me how to pronounce it. She told me that you say swear off ski. So Swarovski, because I can never say that word. So yeah, so I did this, and then I just kind of, here's more of the jade rondelles, and I just thought the blue and the rich wine color looked so pretty with these. And then I did these, and I got, let me see, I got that attached right there. So yeah, so I did this one then, and I love these. Just the colors are so rich looking. So then I got this. And then last but not least, I love the way this one turned out. Let me get this. So this, I have this right here. It's a little windy outside. You can hear my window kind of banging a little bit. So I have this one. And then these are the earrings that I made for them. So they're kind of a little funky pair. So they open up. So when you, let me get these. So when you wear them, there's a hole in this piece right here in this finding, and then it's right there. So I put some through wire and then dragged it up to there. So it's kind of got that little circle right in there. So it lays like that, or it can lay like this, depending how you want to wear them. So I have these were the earrings. And then this is, I used this as a focal point for the necklace. So this is the necklace. I got, oh wait, I got it the wrong way because, yes, I've got this little, it's almost like a little leopard. Let me see if you can, I can't tell if it's in view or not. Yeah, there you go. It's like kind of like a little leopard print. It's hammered metal. And then I just did this, and then more of the jade rondelles and some of my own little beads. I love dollar bead box. And I just did a little pattern up here, you know, for something a little different. So I think that was it for the bead box. I'm trying to think. I couldn't find anything. My bead room is a mess right now. I'm in the middle of trying to reorganize it and put stuff away and, you know, try and set up a new little system in here, and it is butt wild right now. So yeah, so these are all my pieces, and like I said, I have tutorials for these two necklaces. I will list them below, and I will also put a link to BeeBeeCraft for these. I did an unboxing for them. They had contacted me to become an ambassador for them and work with their beads. They let me pick out some beads. So I did the rondelles, jade rondelles, and I think these were agate beads. But it was just a big pile of gemstone beads. They were gorgeous. So yeah, so I really had a lot of fun working with all these pieces. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial of what I did, and hopefully I inspired you to take your box out and create something with it yourself. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that button below and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know down in the comments what you think, and if you are going to try and make one of these, if you watch the tutorial, let me know. So I will see you on my next video, and you have a great day. Thanks for watching.